Hello guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Dive. In today's episode, I will show you how you can get logged into your Godaddy account. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get started. First of all, you need to open up any web browser of your choice and there on the URL, search for godaddy.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be ended up to its official homepage, which look like this. Now, in order to get logged into your GoDaddy account, you have to tap on sign in button at the top right of your screen. And once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear on your screen. Now from there, you have to tap on sign in button, and if in case you're a new customer, you can tap on create an account to create GoDaddy account for you. Now tap on sign in button and then you will be end up to its sign in page. Now firstly you have to enter your username, and after that you have to enter the password of your GoDaddy account. Now, if you want your system to remember your login details and in the next visit you don't have to type in your details manually, then keep this tick as it is. Now, if you have either forgotten your username or your password, you can recover it by tapping on need to find your username or your password. And if you have created your GoDaddy account using your Apple account, Facebook account or a Google account, tap on one of these options and get logged into your GoDaddy account instantly. Now, once you're done with typing in your username and your password, tap on sign in button. Now, once you tap on sign in button, you will successfully get logged into your GoDaddy account. So that was the step-by-step process on how you can get logged into your GoDaddy account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.